Hi and welcome again to Wigan RC, and today we've got another unboxing of my new edition of Hitting the Skies. So as you've seen in previous videos, I've got a new affliction with aircraft, both with drones and wings and planes. And this is my latest addition to the fleet. So this is the Excalibur, and it is from Hobbyking from Durafly, and this is just a quick unboxing to show you what's in the box and what's this new plane looks like. Okay, so get straight in it. Just cut these off. Okay. So here we go. Put that there. Okay, so it's very well packaged. And this is basically a plane that I bought that I will bind with my new receiver and my my Spectrum. So there we go. So taking this out, we've got some carbon rods. So this looks like it's the support. There's the nose cone, and here is the fuselage. So, oh, this thing looks mean. So it's already pre-assembled with ESC and motor and everything in there. So it should be just a quick assembly. So I'll put that there. Okay, we've got the tail section, and this is basically configured like this. So that will be very interesting. It's already got the servos included in there, and in here is the one part of the wing, servos there, and the other part of the wing should be here. Yep, there we go. So quite a large wingspan. So that's that. We've got some hardware in here. We've got some folding props and bits of hardware for the nose cone, screws and so forth. So that's all there. And I think that is all that's in the box. So everything's out. So what I'll do, I'll quickly put this together, and then you can see what it looks like. So here it is, all finished. So it looks awesome, and from what I've seen, very quick. So all that's left for me to do now is put the nose cone onto the front like so, and then just bind the electrics. So together with this, and because I've now got a few models of different planes, drones and so forth, we have now upgraded, and we are now going to be using the new Spectrum DX6. So this is a 6-channel radio, and it is awesome. We've got full digital displays, and this thing really does everything. So taking it out, I have taken it out of the box already to have a look, and as you can see, this is going to bring things to the next level. So, heap of controls. This has telemetry, so you can wire up your batteries and it'll tell you how much voltage is left from in the screen. Or you can name up to 40 models. You can do all your cut-off switches and bind buttons and so forth. And you can name all your models, whatever you want. This, to me, is like a miniature computer. I'm going to really have to learn how to use this. So there's plenty of videos out there showing people how to use the DX6. So this is going to be a great addition. So the manual comes with it. You get your receiver and your bind buttons. So it's going to be great to go through. We've also managed to get some new graphene 4S65C batteries. These are 2200 milliamps. I'll take one out for you, and these are going to be awesome and quite thick, but they should fit nicely into a few of my different planes and drones and things. So that's great. So we've got, that's a 2200 4S, and this one, these two here are going to be for one of my other projects, and these are 1300, and these are 4S as well. So heaps of power, heaps of speed. So I can only imagine what these are going to be like in the planes. So I'll just go through a little bit of the build, and I'll do a close-up of a few things. So just quickly going around, this is a good feature where you can just turn this to take off the canopy. You just pull it up, and then this just slides out the front. So inside I've already put in a receiver, and that should really it's a diversity receiver, so it's got two little antennas, so I'll put that through. Your battery obviously goes in there. Speed controller's already in, hooked up to the motor at the front. So as I said earlier, this will have to be somehow put there, like so, for the nose cone. And these are carbon fibre propellers that obviously once you've stopped the engine, they fold back as you land. So that's great. There were carbon rods that go through the wing that adds support. Very, very sturdy, and putting together the back was fine. And if I just turn this around here, that's it. So we've got our elevators, sorry, our elevator at the back there, hooked up with our servos, dual servos, and underneath the plane, if I just turn this around like so, you'll see there are the aileron servos, and that's running through. So it's really good that it comes pre-set up like this, and even under here you'll be able to see that. If I just put that there, you'll be able to see the speed controller with the capacitors through there. So that's that. So looking forward to getting this baby out onto the field and seeing what it can do. Okay, we're here for the Maiden, and we're gonna basically get the Excalibur up, and the wind's going towards that way. And first of all, we'll just check, got our friend Mick here. Let me just check my cut-off switch. Hold on. So we're going to try and launch straight into the wind and try not to go through the gate. And okay, we're ready.
Slow your throttle.
Okay, there we go.
Is it pitching or is it alright?
It's okay. It's quick.
Yeah, ease up on the throttle.
Okay, settle down a bit. Let's keep it nice and smooth. Turn. We've got 6 minutes of flight time on the Spectrum. Turn. It's handling really well, this plane.
I'm waiting for you anyway, Brad.
So handles really well. Add some throttle. I'm a little bit high. We're looping. Turn. Okay, we're real high, but beautiful glider. So we're just up there gliding.
Not power, man. Let it glide.
Glides beautifully. Gliding beautifully. Just glides forever. Let's try and come in for a pass.
Oh, yeah. Got it. Got it.
So this thing just really glides well. Let's try and come in for a landing. Vass is nervous. This plane is so quick. What a lovely, lovely glider. Let's try and turn, keep it level.
You got
Yep. Oh, and we crashed. Lost my orientation there. So, unfortunately, the old Excalibur is going to need some repairs. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, wings a little bit broken, but we can fix that. And canopy's not too bad. This wing, that's okay. Well, have to fix the fuselage, and luckily I've got another front thing. It's just definitely too quick. Alright then guys, well, unfortunately the Maiden didn't go as well as I'd hoped, but I will return. I will return. Okay, Wigan RC signing off. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and we'll see you soon.